FedEx Adventure Filipino, the homeowner adventure today is in the oil change. Like, subscribe, hit another chasing bell. It's another day in Colombia. Just another day in Colombia. Pretty nice place. Look at the rain. Sorry for the noise, but it is raining, and then raining, and then raining some more. And another day in the neighborhood. It's a local. And exactly a Jiffy Lube. But it'll darn sure do. Always with the upsell. Got the upsell air cleaner right under his arm. So, you know, I mean, it's an oil change. It's not really anything exciting about that other than it's just a day in the life. Oil for an oil change, 3.5 liters, 100,000 pesos, 25 bucks. Okay, so here we go. Gotta go pay. This is Don Pedro's girlfriend's station. I think. Well, her and the family. It's a nice place. Bueno, ¿cuánto te debo?
114,000 pesos.
Ah, muy bien. Okay, bye-bye.
¿Cómo está?
Bye-bye. Adios. So it's a pretty cool place. They got everything in here. Even pretty girls. Ciao. Full service? Always. Full service. Home of their 20-minute oil change. Buenas tardes.
Gracias.
De nada. Well, there we go. We did our oil change. Took 20 minutes. Cost 114,000 pesos, which is approximately $28, somewhere around there. That's with the filter, 4 quarts oil.
cleaned my air cleaner, and got her done. Good for another 10,000 kilometers. So, it was a great day. Got my favorite sidekick here with me, Doña Maria. Say hi, Maria.
Hi, Gino.
See, I can't go anywhere without my sidekick. No pueden ir a ningún lado con mi mujer. And so we're trying not to get washed away here. Quite a lot of water's coming down everywhere. Washing bricks down. I don't know, it's probably rained, I don't know, man, 4 or 5 inches in the last hour. It's just really coming down. Kind of light right now, but you got to watch out, these guys coming in on the side. They don't realize how slick it is. Or they don't care, not sure. It's okay, that ought to be about enough of traffic. If you'll notice, there's no motorcycles. No hay moto. There is water coming everywhere. Oh, there's one brave soul on a motorcycle. Oh.
Este otro, si no nos vuelve mierdita.
Well, we were going to go buy potting soil, but we decided against it since there was more water going over the bridge than under the bridge.
Cuidado, cuidado. Le está haciendo que...
No, yo sé. Pero ¿por qué me reembases si va a parar? Eso es que no entiendo. Crazy.
O la otra niña, porque ella tiene 2 niñas y el niño. Parece como si fuera humo.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the oil change and the rain, and we're home now, live and well. Please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and remember, this is the first day of the rest of your life, and if nothing changes, nothing's going to change. So God bless, and we will see you on the flip side.